Hello class, good morning. How are you today? Great. I hope you always healthy and always safe at home, yeah? Okay, today welcome back to Mrs. Ika, and we will learn about asking and giving direction for all of you, my students of 10th grade. Okay, what is asking and giving direction? Apa sih memberi dan meminta dan memberi arah? Direction is the general position a person or thing moves or points toward. Kemudian kalau asking direction sendiri itu adalah asking direction is asking about road, direction or direction to a particular place. Jadi kalau asking direction itu adalah meminta tentang arah jalan dari satu tempat tertentu. Kalau giving direction is show about road instructions to a particular place according to the correct direction or route. Jadi kalau giving direction sendiri itu adalah menunjukkan di mana sih atau bagaimana sih menuju, instruksinya menuju satu tempat tertentu ke tempat tujuan sesuai dengan rute atau jalan yang tepat. How to ask for and give direction? Bagaimana sih cara bertanya dan memberi direction? Kalau asking for direction itu biasanya kita menggunakan where is the hotel or where is bla bla bla. How do I get to bla bla bla? How do you get to the bla bla bla? Jadi bla 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 ini tadi bisa kalian isi kemana arah kalian ingin pergi atau kemana sih tujuan yang ingin ditanyakan. Is there a hotel near here? Adakah hotel yang dekat di sini? How can I get to school from here? Misalnya, bisa nggak saya pergi ke sekolah dari sini? Can you show me the way to school? Kamu bisa nggak menunjukkan ke saya cara menuju ke sekolah? Can you tell me how to get to school? Tadi kan show me, sekarang tell me, boleh ya. What is the best way to get to school? Arah jalan terbaik di mana sih? Arah jalan tercepat di mana ya untuk menuju ke sekolah? Can you give me direction to the school? Nah, bisakah kamu menunjukkan arah kepadaku ke sekolah? Is there a school around here? Misalnya, kalau dia tanya is there a school around here, biasanya dia mencari sekolah ya, berarti is there a is there a cafe around here? Ada nggak sih cafe di sekitar sini? Okay. What the quickest way to get to blah 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 from here? What's the quickest way to get to cafe from here? Nah, gimana sih cara tercepat kita pergi ke cafe dari sini? Misalnya, what the easiest way to get to the school from here? Itu tadi contoh-contoh asking for direction. Bla 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 atau titik-titik ini bisa kalian sesuaikan, bisa kalian isi sesuai dengan tujuan yang ingin kalian capai atau tujuan arah yang ingin kalian tuju. Nah, selanjutnya adalah bagaimana cara memberikan giving direction. Bagaimana cara menunjukkan arah? Biasanya kalimat yang tepat itu diberikan di seperti ini. Ya. Turn left or right. Misalnya, take the first to the left or right. Misalnya, next go past the restaurant or school bla bla bla. Ada the easiest way is to bla bla bla. The quickest way is to bla bla bla. Kemana arah sesuai dengan map atau peta atau jalan yang akan kalian 7. The best way is to bla bla bla. Take Diponegoro Road misalnya, atau stay on Diponegoro and distance, atau selama bla 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 minutes gitu ya. It is on bla bla bla. It is across from the hotel misalnya. Jadi dia nyarinya sekolah. It is across from the hotel. It is opposite bla bla bla. It is opposite bla bla bla. It is near the school bla bla bla. Itu dia cara memberikan atau giving a direction. Nah, ini juga nih salah satu contoh varian asking direction and giving direction. Let's read them. Okay, good class. Tadi udah dibacakan apa aja tuh asking direction and giving directionnya. Ini asking for direction juga nih yang sebelah sini nih. Nah, untuk kalian sendiri tolong mulai dipelajari and please remember them. Ya, remember them, diingat-ingat supaya apa? Supaya ketika ada materi tentang asking direction and giving direction, ya kalian sudah paham dengan baik. Next, it is some phrases to show direction atau menunjukkan arah. Ada go straight, ada turn back atau go back, ada turn left or right, go along bla bla bla, across bla bla bla, signpost, opposite, near, between, next to bla bla bla, at the end of bla bla bla, and so on. Okay, up to around the corner. You can learn them. You can learn them and don't forget to remember and have deep understanding about them. Ya. Jadi traffic light, behind, across from itu berapa phrases yang biasanya menunjukkan direction. Nah, di sini juga ada symbol map. Jadi you can go ahead, turn left, turn right, T conjunction, crossroad, on the right side, on the left side, on the corner. Jadi kalau corner tuh dia di pojok, 5 junction, perlimaan, turn around, dia putaran ya, bisa dibilang putar balik atau putaran. Jadi dia memutar gitu jalannya ya. Kalau go ahead itu lurus, turn left berarti belok ke kiri, turn right berarti belok ke kanan. Tiga junction berarti pertigaan. Crossroad itu berarti perempatan. On the right side berarti ada di sebelah kanan. On the left side ada di sebelah kiri. Oke, itu tadi. Nah, this is the simple map. And then if you are at bank, how you can go to hospital? Okay, if you are at bank now, how you can go to the hospital? Good job. You can go ahead and then on the crossroad you can turn left. Turn right, ya. And then you can go left, ya, atau turn left, ya. Jadi dari bank itu lurus, kemudian ada perempatan, dia belok ke kanan, belok lagi ke kiri, sudah sampai di hospital. Oke? Iya, good. Nah, ini juga, let's go to the bird. Okay, this is the conversation, the example conversation of giving and asking direction. This is also the example of asking and giving direction. Okay, class. Now I have exercise to you. First, try to make a simple map. How about the direction how you go to your house to your school? Yeah, make a simple map. How about the way to go to your house to your school? And then pin your simple map on the wall and try to explain it completely. Okay? Record your action, record your activities to explain the map and upload it to your social media. The link will I give you in our online class. Do your best and always be confident, ya. Okay. Thank you very much for your attention today. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and happy learning class. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next meeting. I hope you always come to my class. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.